Today on this episode, we will be bleeding the coolant system on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now, because the bleeder hole technically was over here, we're gonna fill coolant into here until it bleeds out of the water pump. Filling up the water pump. That's the idea. Get the air out. There you go. Alright. Fill the reservoir up. Alright. A little bit different setup than the 300 we just did and the Challenger. Just gotta burp the water out. Burpity burp burp, see? Burp burp burp. Keep her going. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this until it stops burping. Alright. Now that we filled it up, now, let's give it a start. Alright, let's do it. Checks. Filter on. We're good, we're filled up. Alright. Snowy. We got some frost over here. So let's give this a start. Now, what I like to do when we're doing anything with the coolant system is blast the heat. Okay? Now in theory, with the thermostat fixed up, we're gonna get some heat. So let's throw that there. This should, without touching anything, should have all this defrosted. I already feel some heat now. A little bit. Alright. Let's go check for leaks. No leaks. Oh yeah, it's warm in here. It is warm. Oh man, I was driving without heat for a good second. And here, we're gonna leave it running for a good 20 minutes in the driveway. Alright, after the fact, we'll go for a test drive. But if anything were to happen, it'll happen in the driveway. So let it run, let it get up to temp and hold the temp. No erratic stuff like we were experiencing. So we're on high. Look, it's already melting, bros. It is already melting. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. Alright. Look at that. Look at it in all its glory. Stabilized temperature. Well below. And look, we got some heat, boys. Oh, heat. Look at that. Heat. Good. We did this in the snow. Alright, so now that we've been idling in the parking lot for some time, let's go for a test drive. Okay. We're rolling, and snowing. Just monitor that. Varying speeds, get on the highway, and then that's it. So far, so good. Still good. Got some onions, bros. Come on. Give it some onions. Alright. No move. Alright, we're back and it is working great. Stabilized and running a bit cooler. Now we still gotta readjust our fan settings to kick on at an earlier time, but since it's winter time, we could do that later. Right now we tested it. We ran it on the driveway, we ran it on the highway, we ran it in town stop and go traffic, and you know what, now we are working good. We got some heat back in the Jeep. The heat works, looks like it's working. It didn't explode. Could you believe it? Alright guys, so that is how we bleed the coolant system in a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. In other words, we burped it, pretty much. Burpity burp burp. In any case, thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.